Tap ko lang yung QR scanner ng phone ko. List of menus of the store. So, ayan yung dessert nila, yung hot coffee, yung order. You can actually see the table number here is table number 2, which is yun yung table number ng QR na. Ita-transfer ko siya sa table number 2. Tap OK. One for the rider, one for the online store, and one for the order. And they get notified your order is being prepared. Ayan. So, take that order doon na mismo sa tindahan natin. This is the official receipt for that. So, ano nga ba yung Tindahan 3-in-1 solution dito? Tindahan application, it's an online app that you can actually use in 3 ways. We have our dine-in, takeaway, and then delivery. So, in this video, ipapakita ko first kung paano natin siya gamitin in our dine-in process. So, before I discuss with the process of our tindahan, these are the devices that I'll be using. So I have here my Bitpos MO ticket. So the bundle that I chose in this video is our tablet and Bluetooth printer setup. So naka-install na dito yung aking MOT. And of course, this is my QR code table digital menu. So this is very important at kailangan natin na nakalagay dapat to sa mga tables natin. So, aside from that one, I also have another cell phone here. This will be representing our customer's device kung saan dito natin i-scan yung ating QR code. So, let's start with the process. So, say for example, the customer is inside your tindahan already. So, pag upo pa lang niya sa table, we have this one that says scan to order where they can use an iOS or an Android phone, does not matter as long as may QR scanner lang yung phone natin. So, of course, I'm going to scan this one. So, tap ko lang yung QR scanner ng phone ko. And the moment you scan, you can actually see a specific link here below. Tap mo lang yung link and you get redirected here to our Tindahan application. So, ngayon, once you get redirected, you are required to log in first or create an account para hindi ka na mahirapan sa pag-order dito. So, I'm going to log in. I'll be using a Google account for this one para mas mabilis. So this is my sample account and I am already logged into the app. So ngayon, since nakapag-login na ako, I can actually see the list of menus of the store. So ayan yung dessert nila, yung hot coffee, yung iced coffee, and then the main dishes. This is really nice, digital menu. Hindi na natin kailangan na magbigay ng paper menu kasi naka-digitalize na talaga siya. So, the customer will take an order para siyang self-service style. So, tap lang natin kung ano yung gustong orderin ng customer. And then, of course, you can just go to another menu and then order more. Ayan. So, very direct to the point. So, once the customer is already satisfied, pwede niyang i-view yung order niya. There is a trash icon na para mag-delete in case they want to change their mind. There is a plus and minus icon to add and deduct quantity. And if they're good, tap lang nila yung confirm order. So since nag-confirm sila ng order, you can actually see the table number here is table number 2, which is yun yung table number ng QR natin. So, are you sure you want to confirm your order? Tap lang nila yung yes, automatically it gets placed na. Ayan, your order is being prepared, total amount of 790 pesos. Now, since nakapag-order na yung customer natin, sa tindahan mismo, we have a device which is our MOT, and this is our order monitoring device. So ano ba yung gagawin ng ating order monitoring process? First is randomly kahit anong table po, tap lang nila iyan and then tap online tindahan order. So, the moment you tap online tindahan order, the most latest order po ay andito sa pinakataas. The name of the customer is Norego and this is table number 2, dine-in COD. So, of course, since this is table number 2, I can process this one. Ita-transfer ko siya sa table number 2. Tap OK. So, the system will confirm that the order has been transferred successfully. Going back, dito na sa table number 2 natin, makikita nyo, it will be occupied, 790 pesos. And then, the name of the customer, Snow Riego. Now, what's really nice here is that, of course, we still need to confirm yung customer natin. Ma'am, may I ask, ito po ba yung mga orders natin? And if they already confirm, we can just directly send it to the kitchen, to the bar, napakadali na lang. Of course, for payment process, tap lang natin yung 3-line icons, tap natin yung tender, input lang natin yung pera ng customer, and then tap OK. Automatically, magpiprint ang ating receipt printer. And this is our receipt printout. And as you can see, andito yung logo ng ating store, details of the store, the name of the customer na si Snoriego, and of course, the list of product, magkano yung total due, magkano yung cash, and then magkano yung sukle. And I am going to explain our Tindahan application 3-in-1 solution. So from my previous video, I actually discussed yung ating tinatawag na digital menu or yung ating dine-in ordering na solution ng ating Bitpos Tindahan. And today, I am going to discuss our second solution, which is the takeaway option. So usually, if your customer has already availed some of your products inside your store, they're already logged in and they can actually navigate already the store. So kahit na wala na sila physically sa tindahan natin, they can still see or they can still generate the menus that you offer, and that is actually pretty good. It's actually a good marketing strategy. So dito, I have the same setup. I have my MOT kit, I still have my Bluetooth printer and my Android tablet and the customer's device. So kung ite-take away naman natin yung process natin, the customer will just select a specific food that they want to order. So let's say nagta-travel sila. And of course, if they want to confirm order, meron silang option dito. It's either delivery, it's either takeaway, or it's either they are physically inside the store. But since in this setup, gusto nila na they want to order ahead of time and they want to take that order doon na mismo sa tindahan natin. So we're going to select takeaway and then tap lang natin yung yes. So in this process, the system will confirm that order is successful. The total amount is 420 pesos. So dito naman sa ating order monitoring, there's no specific table lang. Tap lang natin yung isang table or slot and then tap mo lang yung online tindahan order. So here, once you tap the online tindahan order, you can actually see a transaction and there's still the distance, pending, takeaway, and COD. So if you wanted to accept that order po, tap the process button and then tap mo lang yung prepare so that the customer is notified na inaccept natin yung order niya and pwede niyang kuhanin iyon doon sa tindahan natin. So say for example, dumating na yung customer sa store natin, what is the next step? So here in our order monitoring device, tap lang natin yung customer na yon and then process it. Dapat i-transfer na natin siya sa slot kasi magbabayad na siya. We already prepared the order, ibibigay na natin, babayaran niya na. So we will be transferring it to table number 1 and then tap OK. Kung ano man yung table na available, you can just directly transfer that one. And hindi naman po siya magtatagal, so very direct to the point lang. Tap table number 1 and then tap in tindahan order. And then the moment you tap that one, tender na natin siya. So input lang natin magkano yung pera ng customer natin and then tap OK. So nagbayad siya and this is the official receipt for that takeaway transaction. So, ganun lang kadali yung ating takeaway process ng ating Bitpos tindahan na. So from my previous videos, I already discussed about the digital menu ordering ng ating dine-in process. I also discussed yung ating takeaway process. And lastly, I am going to discuss the delivery process of our Tindahan app. So before anything else, the devices that I have right now, I have my Bitpos MOT kit. So ito yung bundle na pinili ko, my Android tablet and my Bluetooth printer. I have my customer's phone and I also have my rider's phone. So kung mapapansin niyo, I'm using 3 application here. One for the rider, one for the online store, and one for the order monitoring, which is the MOT application. So let's start with the process. So yung customer natin, so this is their phone. mag-o-order sila doon sa store natin. So, tap lang natin yung add ng add. So, add lang tayo ng mga products, main dishes. I'm going to add more. Ayan. So, once they are already good to go, tap lang nila yung confirm order natin. And here, you can actually see delivery. So, I have a delivery fee. Sino yung nag-set? Ako yung nag-set ng delivery ko. And of course, yung aking rider nakaset na din siya. So, yan yung total amount of delivery fee ko. It's 550 pesos. And of course, the distance, gaano tayo kalayo sa store, and the final amount na babayaran niya. So, if I'm going to tap yes to confirm my order here, I have a payment option that I have to confirm. It's either I want to choose GCash or if I want cash on delivery. So say for example, isi-COD ko to and the system will say, your order is being prepared. Please have your cash payment of 1,165 pesos ready. So ganyan lang kadali. So here on top, meron ng lumalabas na notification. You got it now. Order number 42. So, ayan. So, meron na siyang notification for that. So, here naman, sa ating order management device ng ating store, itatap lang natin any tables po. Online tindahan po tayo. And you can actually see the latest order here under Snow Rego, the distance, the mobile number pending, and then delivery naman yung pinili niya. So, COD din siya. So, if I tap process, na i-accept ko yung order, I am going to tap prepare. Automatically po, dito naman sa ating customers end, they get notified your order is being prepared. Ayan. So, they are already well aware. So, once na na-prepare na natin yung order niya, so we have to notify the rider na magda-deliver. So, tap ulit natin siya, process, and then I am going to tap driver. So, here, manonotify na naman yung ating customer waiting for driver to accept your order. So dito naman sa ating riders application po, makikita po natin dito under available kung ano yung mga pending na order. So you have this map view. For this one naman po ay makikita natin yung distance ng tindahan at yung ating customers. So you can just tap start to start the delivery, or here, once you know the distance and you want to accept that one, tap mo lang yung details and then you can now tap accept. So, are you sure you want to accept? Tap mo lang yung yes. Automatically, na-notify naman yung ating customer na inaccept na ni rider yung ating order. So, here on our order management, makikita natin na delivery na siya. So, your order is on the way. Naka-notify na si customer. So, dito, if na-deliver na din ni rider ang ating product, tap na naman niya yung details and of course, tap niya yung receive, meaning natanggap na ni customer yung kanyang order. So, receive, tap yes, automatically natapos na yung kanyang orders. Andito na siya sa done area, tapos na, na-receive na ni customer. So, dito naman sa customer's end, makikita po natin, may notification, your order has been received. Of course, dito naman sa ating order management device, makikita natin dito if na-receive na niya. So, makikita delivery yung service status niya. And pag bumalik na si rider para i-remit yung pera, tap lang natin yung process and then tap pay. And here, automatically, manonotify na naman yung ating customer, your order has been paid and na-receive na ni store owner yung ating payment. So, as you can see, the process of our Bitpos Tindahan is very versatile and it can fit to any type of setup that you need. It could be an online delivery that gives you 3 applications that you can use, depends. And it can also be takeaway or dine-in kung ano man yung setup na gusto nating gawin. For more information of our Tindahan application process, you may book an online demo or call us today.